So my name is Lisa Tapp, and I am the Chief Financial Officer and the Chief Operating Officer at the San Antonio Museum of Art. So we really needed something that would help us with our budgeting process, with projections, as well as with the cash flow reporting. As a nonprofit, we're highly reliant on donor contributions, and so we're always looking for things that are cost effective in what we're doing, because as a donor supported organization, funds are not always as plentiful as we'd like them to be, and so we definitely have to be wise with how we spend our money. I think I came across Acterys really as we were looking at our Microsoft Office suite. We were looking at using some of the additional programs in there that we had not been previously using, so we wanted to go beyond just Excel and Word and Outlook we were already expanding into SharePoint. We were looking at Teams, and then started taking a closer look at Power BI. And I believe I came across Acterys on YouTube as I was looking at Power BI solutions out there, and it was just kind of a nice surprise to see that there was something that looked like it would just fit right in with all the other tools that we were already looking at implementing. I think the customer service has been great. You've been very supportive in looking at what our particular needs were, because the accounting system that we were using was not one of the more out-of-the-box solutions where we're ready to just plug in. I've been starting to work with it. I've been incredibly pleased that instead of it taking me an hour as it did with my previous system to export and import, manipulate data, import it back in, I can do it now in a minute's time. It's a quick export, transfer a file, and I'm done, and I'm up and running and looking at reports in here. So it's beautiful. Your solution was really, very cost effective. The cost, even on a per user basis, was very reasonable. The cost of implementation was less than we would have spent, elsewhere. And I felt like the customer service was so much better, and just really an all around great solution for us. Starting out, we've started out with some of the basic templates, of course, the cash flow template, some of the basic P&L and balance sheet planning. So going forward, we're looking forward to continuing to get the additional planning templates in place, as well as really starting to use the integration with Acterys and Power BI to, just give us a deeper dive into our data than we've ever had before.